Lights, camera, atoms. Welcome to the atomic stage. Group 5 is here today to present isotopes, the atomic VIPs of medical technology. They are radioactive, tiny, and transforming how physicians treat, diagnose, and save lives. These isotopes are superheroes in disguise, used for everything from radiant scans to targeted cancer treatment.
What are those so-called isotopes? Just think of them as atomic twins, same element, yet different personalities. One's all chill and stable, while the other one is radioactive and ready to work behind the scenes. In a world full of medical technology, that radioactive twin becomes a superhero by lighting up scans, tracking diseases, and delivering powerful treatments without a single cut. Okay na? Okay na. Gusto ko na kasing umalis eh. Pagod na ako. Oo, sige. Bye na. Sorry po.
Aray ko! Yan! Ikaw! Ikaw ang hinahanap ko. In addition sa sinabi ni ate kanina, for example, Technician 99M and Fluorine 18 are like undercover agents. They sneak into the body and light up scans like PET and SPECT. Doctors use them to detect cancer, heart problems, and organ issues. No surgery needed. It's like having X-ray vision powered by chemistry. Tara, hanap tayo ng matatanungan. Ate, ano ang iodine 131 for 500 pesos?
Ha?
Huh?
Wait lang ya, isipin ko lang ya. Alam ko na! Meet iodine 131, the sniper of thyroid world. It targets cancer cells with precision. And cobalt 60, it's the precision powerhouse behind cancer treatment, blasting tumors while keeping healthy cells safe. These isotopes don't just diagnose, they fight back! Kuya, at yung boses ko.
Okay lang yan. Pasensya sa abala. Bigyan ko sa'yo 500 pesos sa Gcash, pa-doktor ka.
Sige! Miss, sakit po ng lalamunan ko. Ano po kayang pwedeng gamot?
Hala, ano bang kinain mo? Tignan mo lang, kaya pala eh. Patingin nga. Okay naman yan eh, yung nararamdaman mo.
Miss, curious lang. Anong radioisotopes ang nasa field mo?
Isotopes also protect us. Cobalt-60 sterilizes medical tools and even food. No germs, no drama. And in Fluorine-18 with PET scans, we get sharper images and faster results. These atoms are evolving with tech, making medicine smarter and safer every day.
Miss, maraming salamat po nang dahil sa inyo. May boses na po ako.
Welcome!
Uy, wait lang. Sikat na scientist? Parang nakita ko na to eh. Wait, siya ba yun?
Hala!
Tara, puntahan natin! Miss!
No taking pictures, please.
Di ba famous scientist ka po? Ano pa po yung natutunan nyo sa radioisotopes sa medical technology?
From invisible scan to target treatments, isotopes are unsung heroes of medical technology. Isotopes are hardly considered in medical technology. From invisible scan to localized treatments, very small yet very impactful. And us being a future scientist, we see their potential, not only within a hospital but only with a build a healthier, smarter world.
We are Group 5, future scientists inspired by isotopes. From atoms to innovations, we're building a healthier nation!